Hi, I recently finished Patrick's EMF 1 course, and I wanted to talk a little bit about my experience with that. Patrick has an uncanny knack for explaining the complexities of EMF in a very easy to understand and digest manner, which is a skill that we all need to learn if we're going to be working with clients and talking with them about EMF. Um, he is especially strong, I think, in the area of building a business around EMF consulting. And what I love most here is that Patrick approaches his business and urges us to approach our businesses in a way that's very ethical and client focused. When I hear the words, do the right thing by your client, Patrick is the epitome of that, I think. And I think GeoVital is as well. So he's a great representative of them and for them. His course, EMF 1, was incredibly engaging and interesting. I did sign up for one course from another organization that teaches these things. And although I'm sure I'll learn from it, it was a 30-page, densely packed, small fine print document. That was the course. And it's so much more engaging to enjoy Patrick's videos and the live synchronous classes that were part of this program. He unfolds the subject matter in a really logical, easy to follow way so that it's not overwhelming, because for a lot of us, it's been a long time since we've really thought about electricity and some of the heavier stuff in this world of EMFs. I would say the other thing is the course EMF 1 is really easy to incorporate into your life. At least it was for me. A big part of it is self-paced and assigned at a good rhythm, so you can fit it in when you have time to fit it in. That being said, it wasn't such a self-paced course that you didn't have time with your classmates and with Patrick. We had weekly classes, which were great. I felt like I got to know Patrick, and I felt like I got to know, and I've already developed relationships with some of the other people in my group. Overall, it was an amazing experience to do EMF 1, and if your goal is to do well by doing good in this field, no pun intended, I think Patrick's your man. And if you just want to learn for your own edification more about EMF and health, then he's also the go-to guy in my humble opinion. So yes, highly recommend. 2 thumbs up, EMF 1, and I'm really looking forward to being able to get on a plane and go do EMF 2 as my next step.